So here we are after our first frost, and we start to get our snap peas. So we're going to go ahead and harvest the ones that we got now. These plants may still grow in this cooler weather because the leaves didn't freeze in the frost. So as long as they get some water, they should be okay. So we're just going ahead here to harvest some of the ones that are done. We'll probably get a little handful here. This was a late season harvest, so we've got a couple plants here. I tasted one of them. They're pretty good, so we'll just go through here and take them off. And it looks like the plants are growing at the top with new white flowers, so potentially we should get more. We'll see what it does. So we'll just pick a few more of those. The kale here, I planted kale, so I got 2 kale plants that survived the transplant there. We can pick some kale leaves. I was growing some Brussels sprouts. Some of the plants when I put them in was still August and it was still hot weather, and some of them didn't last, so these are the remaining ones. Here is some kale, different kind of kale. I want to say this might be the Russian red leaf or just Russian kale. This is growing well. The bugs are starting to eat it. Those army worms that we had this year were eating everything. But now that it's cold, they died off. So this should snap back. And then the broccoli rabe here seems like it's growing. And we could, of course, harvest these leaves as they continue to grow here. There's some more Brussels sprouts. So, hopefully they will be able to continue to grow as well. Of course, the green beans, the long beans, they're done. We picked a lot of them. There's still some of them that we didn't get to in time, and they just froze up. But it's okay. We had a good harvest of those too. We're gonna have to pull the ginger and turmeric here next to see how that grew. So we'll do that in a minute.